Are you getting shadow ban on X? Let me put you through on how you can clear your shadow ban in just 3 days. In my previous video, I already spoke about shadow ban and how you can clear it in 7 days. But here I bring to you a new update on how to clear shadow ban in just 3 days. Now, before we go into that, you need to understand that what is shadow ban and what are the causes of shadow ban. First and foremost, shadow ban is when you have drop in massive visibility, and most likely you might be unable to search for your name or your profile name on X search bar. So now, the first of all, you need to understand that whenever you have shadow ban, it means that you are giving a bad signal to the X system. Now, the bad signal could be maybe you are posting too much, or you are liking too much, retweeting too much, replying too much, or even following too much or unfollowing too much. So you need to understand that you're doing something that you are absolutely doing too much. Now, for you to stop this, you need to understand that all these things that I have been mentioned are bad signals. These bad signals are the reason why you are being shadow banned. Now, for you to correct a bad signal, it is to give out a good signal. I would strongly advise you, do not stop posting when you are on shadow ban. Do not stop posting. And I can assure you, in just 3 days, it will be cleared. In just 3 days, you will clear your shadow ban. Trust me about this. Just follow me and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube on how to get your shadow ban cleared in 3 days. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing to do is just to make sure that you don't post frequently. Immediately you know that you are shadow banned, give your post minimum of 3 hours. When you make a tweet, before the next tweet, have a rest of solidly 3 hours. No replies, no follow, no unfollow throughout this period. When you do that, and make sure that there is a standard 3 hours minimum. You can do 5 hours if you wish to. There is standard 3 hours break between a post to another. So in a day, you should not make more than 3 or 4, maximum 5 posts. Now, the number of posts does not matter. What matters most is the interval between your first post, your second post, and your third post. Remember, no follow, no unfollow. And if you have to reply, please let it be limited to 2 or 3 replies. And let it be a kind of reply that has content, high quality. And don't forget, the post should be of high quality content. Now, if you do that for 3 days consecutively, I can assure you, your shadow ban will be cleared on the 3rd day. If you are smart, you should know when you get shadow ban, and on the 3rd day, it will automatically clear. Those of my subscribers that were following me, I explained to them how not to get shadow ban, and presently, you can clear this in just 3 days. If you are looking for great contents like this about Hex, how to grow on Hex, then definitely subscribe on my channel.